Okay, so I want to use Simpson's rule to find area, and I'm hoping this will help you with the lab. Um, so we want to find the area of this golf green, and so I'm going to use f of x is equal to this cross area right here, this length. And delta x, the text tells you is 6, so the distance between each of those dotted lines is 6. And so basically, Simpson's rule, it's delta x over 3, and you have that pattern of 1, 4, 2, 4, 2, and then it ends in 2, 4, 1. So it's delta x over 3, f of x naught, 4x1, 2f of x2, continue that way, 2f of x and minus 2, so 2 from the end, 4 times xn minus 1, and then f of xn. So what I need to do for this problem is I need to figure out what the x's are and what the f's are. Once I do that, I can plug it in, and it's just kind of a plug and chug kind of problem. So the idea is that we can take the function here, like I said, is the length, and that's the key idea. And the other one's delta x is 6. So I've marked the end height, is 12, and the end over here on the right, that length is 18. Now this problem is number 69 and 7.1, and the book does something a little weird. They take the endpoints as 0, which doesn't make sense to me. So I think it looks like the ending height length here is 12, and the ending length over here is 18. So my answer is going to be bigger than the text's book. So, okay, hopefully that's clear. So what I've done here, I'm taking this as 0, this is f of x 0. Then I go 6 feet, and that's x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, and so forth. So I'm going to do that. So x0 is 0, and then I get 6 from my next x, 12 from my next one, and I keep going, adding 6 each time. Okay, and I end at 60. Okay, so now for my f of x values, I just use these heights. So I use 12, 14, 14, 12, 12, and 15 goes with 30. With 36, it's 20. With 42, it's 23, then 25, then 26, and 18. So just double checking to make sure everything looks good to me. Okay, now I just have to plug in this, and that should be it. So my delta x is 6, so I get 6 over 3. F of x0 is 12. F of x1 is 14. 2 times x2, 2 times 14. 4 times 12. 2 times 12. 4 times 15. So here, I'm going to continue over here. 4 times 15, 2 times 20, 4 times 23, 2 times 25, 4 times 26, and then 18 at the end. So I want to make sure I have my pattern. 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. Yeah. Okay. That's my Simpson's rule. So I'm going to get 2 times, over here, 12. 4 times 14 is 56, plus 28, etc. I'll skip all the details. And then when I plug that into my TI, I get 1064. So that's the answer. So again, the problem in the lab is a little bit different, but it's the same concept. We don't know what f of x is, so in the lab, you're going to take f of x to be the height of the curve of the vase. So here we took f of x equaling that. I hope that makes sense, and I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have questions.